Hi, I'm Sherry. Today I'm going to make meat floss. You can make it by any kind of lean meat. Today I will use the pork fillet. Soak it for cleaning. Remove the extra tender and fat. Chop it into big pots. It is always easier to cook the meat in a pressure pot with ginger, garlic, and spring onion or onion. Surely you can add other spices or herbs if you like, and cook wine, but no salt. Pour plenty of water. This is the easiest way to make stock. I'll always use this stock to make soup, noodles, or hot pot. Press and flatten the meat with the rolling pin. Shred with chopsticks or forks. It is also very handy if you have a mixer. Stir the meat at a very low speed for just 1 minute. The meat turns into meat threads. Stir the meat threads in a big wok at a mid-heat. Sugar always goes first, for it would be hard to season if it goes after the salt. Five minutes later, add salt. The water is evaporating, and the meat threads are becoming fluffier and fluffier until they turn into meat floss. Add a little bit of sesame if you like, or chili powder if you like. A handmade meat floss is always fluffy. The machine can never stir so well. You can serve porridge with meat floss, or you can make rice cake, sushi, pastry, sandwich by it. It is always nutritious and fast to make lunchboxes by meat floss as well. I am Sherry. Thumbs up and leave a comment if you like my video. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell if you like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.